The sounds of different planets in the universe. How terrifying. Don't blink. You will hear authentic sounds from the depths of space. Please wear earphones. Turn the volume to the maximum. The first is the sound of the Earth. Secondly, Mercury's business. Then there's the business of Venus. Then there's the business of Mars. This is the sound of Jupiter. This is the sound of Saturn. This is Skynet. This is Neptune's business. This is Pluto's business. Do you think this is the end? In fact, the scarier thing is yet to come. This is the sound of the Sun. This is the business of nebular resonance. This is the business of cosmic black holes. Now, let's do the last bit of preparation. This is the scariest ladder in the universe. Zhongxixing's high-speed diamond selection business.